Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative today again, opening in positive and then again closing in negative. So that's a sign of a lot of weakness in the market. In the short term as well as in the medium term outlook, the bias remains negative and I'll be expecting the weakness to continue in the coming trading sessions. Overall, the momentum indicator on the daily charts on the sell side, so every rise would be a selling opportunity here. Resistance would be around 5750 and 5800. 5800 is a 20 daily moving average, so that will be very crucial resistance for markets. On the hourly charts, we've been trading in this channel. Whenever we touch this upper end of this channel, the sell-off again starts. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal on the hourly chart, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. The next level to watch out would be 5600 and 5550. 5550 is a short term target, so I'll be expecting the target to be achieved in next coming one to 2 weeks. The resistance would be 20 and 40 hourly moving average, which is around 5700, 5720 levels. Bank Nifty has broken this head and shoulder pattern on the downside, closing in negative today. Same like Nifty, opening in positive and then closing in negative. So that shows a lot of weakness. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are already into sell signal, sell, and I'll be expecting this negative momentum to continue on the downside for a target of at least 10,700 in the medium term outlook for Bank Nifty. Supports would be around 11,200, 11,000. Resistance would be around 11,540 and 11,850. LNT has also formed a head and shoulder pattern like the indices in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, and even this stock has formed a head and shoulder pattern taking resistance at 40 and 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so overall the bias remains negative for this stock and I'll be expecting this head and shoulder pattern to break on the downside. Support should be around 1334 and 1250. 1385 would be the resistance and 1420 would be the second resistance. The second stock would be SBI, again a head and shoulder pattern like Bank Nifty, lower top, slow bottom formation on the daily charts. The momentum indicator on the daily charts on the sell side. So I'll be expecting this head and shoulder pattern to break on the downside for a target of 1850, 1800 in the next couple of months in the medium term outlook. But in the very short term, support should be around 2019.10, resistance should be around 2090 and 2150. So overall friends, bias remains negative in the short term as well as in the medium term outlook. I'll not be expecting markets to close above 5800 or even 5750 in the very short term, and I'll be expecting this negative momentum to continue till at least minimum 5550 in the short term. Thank you so much.